Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. So here we'll solve big countries problem, problem number 595. What we have is over here is a table named world, which have columns like name, continent, area, population, and GDP. So name is the primary key column with the unique values for this table, and each row of this table give information about the name of the country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, and the population and GDP. So we want to filter out big countries. So big countries has a criteria. What are the criteria for big country? A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million, means 3 million kilometer square should be the area at least. And it can be greater than this particular number or equal to this number. It also has a population of 20 million, 25 million, that is 25 million basically. Now write a solution to find the name, population, and area of the big country. Return the result table in any order. Result is one. So let me do this. Okay. So we are selecting, first of all, we are selecting three things: name, population, area from table, this world table. Okay. From world table. Now put that where condition to filter out big countries. Okay. So first we have area, exactly this part. So this area should be at least, means greater than equals to 3 million kilometer square. And this is a or condition. So either of the condition should be true. So the next thing we want over here is population. The population should be also at least. So it's less than, greater than equals to 25 million. Okay. Now let me run this query. Yeah. So test case got accepted. Output matches with the expected output, and this is the code. So here we're selecting name, area, and population from the world table, where either of this condition is true. Either should be the area should be greater than at least 3 million kilometer square, or the population should be greater than equals to 25 million. That's it. Thank you.